Welcome back to Beautyistic, where smart beauty and self-care choices meet real-world testing. If you've ever brushed your teeth and still felt like your smile wasn't quite as clean as it should be, or you're wondering whether an electric toothbrush actually makes a difference compared to manual brushing, this one's for you. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed and tap that bell so you never miss an honest review like this. Today's focus is the TEETHEORY Rotating Electric Toothbrush for adults. This is a rechargeable electric toothbrush designed to deliver a deeper clean than a standard manual brush, with multiple modes, a built-in smart timer, and a generous set of replacement brush heads. It's a unisex oral care tool, so this review is based entirely on my own daily use. At a glance, this toothbrush is built around a rotating brush head rather than sonic vibration. That rotating motion, paired with arc-cut bristles, is designed to physically lift plaque and surface stains instead of just agitating them. It comes with 8 DuPont brush heads in 2 different styles, which is impressive and clearly meant to cover long-term use or even sharing within a household. There are 4 cleaning modes: whitening, clean, sensitive, and massage, and a 2-minute smart timer to encourage proper brushing habits. Battery-wise, TEETHEORY claims up to 25 days of use on a single charge after a 4-hour recharge. Using this in my daily routine felt very straightforward. The handle has a solid, ergonomic feel and doesn't slip even with wet hands. Switching between modes is intuitive, and I appreciated that each mode feels genuinely different rather than being a marketing label slapped onto the same intensity. The rotating motion is noticeable right away, especially if you're used to sonic brushes or manual brushing. It feels more mechanical, but not harsh. On clean mode, it gets right into those hard-to-reach areas along the gum line and between teeth. Whitening mode feels more focused on surface polishing, which I notice most on coffee-stained areas. Sensitive mode was gentle enough for mornings when my gums felt a bit reactive, and massage mode delivered a light, rhythmic pressure that felt surprisingly soothing rather than gimmicky. In real-world testing, I used this morning and night for over a week. My teeth felt consistently smooth after brushing that just left the dentist feeling you don't always get from manual brushing. The 2-minute timer pauses subtly to signal quadrant changes, which helps avoid rushing. One thing worth noting is that if you're new to rotating brushes, there's a short adjustment period. You don't need to apply pressure, let the brush do the work, or it can feel a bit intense at first. What I genuinely liked is the inclusion of 2 different brush head styles. The softer bristles with the special glue section are better for surface stains and daily maintenance, while the denser bristles feel more thorough for deep cleaning days. The color-coded rings are practical, especially if more than one person uses the same handle. There are a few downsides to be aware of. The rotating action is not everyone's preference, particularly if you're used to high-frequency sonic brushes. The motor, while effective, is slightly louder than some premium electric toothbrushes. And while the toothbrush claims dramatic plaque and stain removal, realistic expectations are important. This supports good oral hygiene, but it's not a replacement for professional cleanings. In terms of value, this toothbrush offers a lot for its price category. 8 replacement heads alone can cover up to 2 years of use, which significantly reduces ongoing costs. The battery life is another strong point. Charging once and not worrying about it for weeks makes this especially travel-friendly. When you consider the modes, timer, and included accessories, the pricing feels justified for what you're getting. Compared to basic electric toothbrushes with only 1 or 2 modes, this one offers more flexibility. It doesn't aim to compete with ultra-premium dental brands, but it does deliver practical features that most people actually use. If you're deciding between this and a standard sonic brush, the biggest difference comes down to preference. Rotating mechanical cleaning versus vibration-based cleaning. Build quality is solid overall. The handle feels durable, the buttons respond well, and the brush heads lock in securely without wobbling. Over time, the performance remained consistent, and the battery didn't show noticeable drop-off during my testing period. Quick pause here. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, TEETHEORY positions itself as a consumer-focused brand, and while I didn't need to contact support directly, the inclusion of extra brush heads and clear instructions suggests they've thought about long-term user experience rather than just the first impression. If you're on a tighter budget, there are simple electric toothbrushes out there with fewer modes and shorter battery life that still improve brushing over manual options. However, once you factor in replacement head costs and charging frequency, those savings can disappear quickly. In this case, paying slightly more upfront can make sense. So, final thoughts. The TEETHEORY Rotating Electric Toothbrush delivers effective cleaning, strong battery performance, and thoughtful extras like multiple brush head types and a smart timer. It's best suited for adults who want a more hands-on, mechanical clean and appreciate versatility in brushing modes. If you're sensitive to noise or strongly prefer sonic vibration, it may not be your perfect match. But for consistent, reliable oral care, it does what it promises. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link in the comments or description box. And if you've already tried this toothbrush, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.